Hey, baking enthusiasts and bread boss wannabes, today we're diving into the world of stand mixers. Those glorious machines that free your arms and elevate your baking game. We've put the top 4 contenders of 2024 through their paces, so you can pick the perfect one for your countertop and your cookies. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Design Series 5QT. Mixer. This is the undisputed heavyweight champ. The LeBron James of stand mixers, KitchenAid is known for its quality and power, and the Artisan lives up to the name. My experience, this mixer handled everything I threw at it, from silky meringues to hefty bread dough. The 5-quart bowl is a great all-around size, and the tilt head design makes adding ingredients a breeze. Plus, with all the available attachments, it's like having a whole kitchen appliance squad in one machine. However, that versatility comes at a cost. This is one pricey mixer. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done? The Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer is your knight in shining armor, or should we say mixing spoon. By experience, while it doesn't have the same raw power as the KitchenAid, it tackled batters and doughs with surprising ease. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. However, with fewer speed settings and a smaller bowl, it's not ideal for ambitious baking projects. Number 3. Quinnart SM50TQ Stand Mixer. Quinnart offers a solid mid-range option with a powerful motor and a sleek design. My experience, this mixer struck a great balance between power and price. It handled most tasks with ease, and the 5.5-quart bowl is perfect for medium-sized batches. The included attachments are handy, and the digital display with a timer is a nice touch. However, it wasn't quite as smooth and quiet as the KitchenAid, and some users reported the plastic construction feeling a bit less sturdy. Number 4. GE7 Quart Smart Mixer with Auto Sense. This futuristic mixer boasts smart features and a massive 7-quart bowl, making it ideal for bakers with big dreams and even bigger families. My experience, the Auto Sense feature that adjusts speed based on the attachment is a cool innovation, and the large capacity is perfect for bread baking enthusiasts. However, the smart features require an app connection, which might not be for everyone. Additionally, its size and weight make it a bit cumbersome for smaller kitchens.